The piston ring seals the piston to the cylinder. The seal allows for pressure in the cylinder when the gun is fired. This pressure drives the piston down the cylinder. Over time, the piston ring will wear and the seal will be lost. This can cause the driver to lose power or not drive at all. Replacing the piston ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now I'll remove the cylinder and the piston. Now I can remove the old piston ring from the piston and install the new one. Now I'll reinstall the piston into the cylinder. I'll pull the piston to the bottom of the cylinder. This will make it easier to install the driver back into the gun. Now this assembly is ready to go back into the gun. You'll notice one side of the piston is notched. The notched side needs to face towards the back of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's how you can install a new piston ring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.